Non-contact positives in drug testing. When a drug test detects a substance, the result first goes to an MRO, a specially trained doctor, to check things out.
Right, and if the donor gives a valid explanation, like a prescription, the initial positive might be overturned. Isn't that so?
Exactly, it's like the whole process is built on verifying the result by actually reaching out. If the donor responds and clears things up, then the test might come back negative. But if the donor doesn't answer the call, that's when it becomes a non-contact positive.
Yeah. So if I understand correctly, it's not necessarily a failure of the test itself, but rather a failure of communication, right?
Precisely. It's interesting because sometimes it's not even a deliberate miss. It could be a simple issue, like an illegible phone number on the custody and control form. You know, forms can be messy sometimes.
True, but wouldn't that, in a way, unfairly label someone with a non-contact positive, even if there wasn't any intent to avoid contact?
That's a fair critique, actually. I mean, while some donors might intentionally avoid answering, maybe because they already know they failed, the process also means administrative oversights, like form issues, can lead to the same result.
Yeah, it does seem a bit harsh in those cases. I guess that's why the whole system emphasizes ensuring the correct contact information is used.
Exactly, they work closely with employers to double-check every detail so that no minor error turns into a non-contact positive. It's like doing everything to make sure the system is as fair as possible.
And I imagine that a team of MROs and their assistants are key to this, right? They make multiple attempts to contact the donor before finalizing the result.
There are several MROs and a bunch of assistants dedicated to ensuring every possible effort is made to get in touch with the donor. So the only reason for a non-contact positive is, quite simply, that the donor doesn't answer.
That really underscores the importance of clear communication and accurate information through every step of the screening process.
Yeah, it's all about accountability and integrity. Everything hinges on those final details. Whether a call gets returned or not can completely change how the result is reported.
And while it might seem strict at first glance, this system really protects both the employer and the testing process by ensuring nothing slips through the cracks.
A built-in safeguard against both error and intentional avoidance. Even though a non-contact positive might feel extreme, it's actually a critical part of maintaining trust in the screening process.
All in all, it really shows how much the process relies on every little detail, from the donor's call to the legibility of a phone number, to be spot on.
Absolutely. Even with all its complexities, it's a system designed to ensure honest and thorough results. And that's pretty fascinating when you think about it.